For these breakfast quesadillas, I'm gonna cube up some potatoes. First I'll cut some medallions, and then I'll cut some strips, and then cube them. The size of the cubes aren't important, as long as they're relatively the same size. Any potato will do, but today I'm using some Yukon Gold. To keep the potatoes from browning too quickly, you might want to put them in a bowl full of water. But I'm gonna cook these right now, so I'm just gonna use a regular bowl. It's important that the pieces are around the same size. This way they finish cooking around the same time. Place a decent amount of oil in a pan, and let's fry them up. Next, even them out a little bit so each of the potatoes is touching the oil. After a few minutes, stir them a bit to get more even color. I'm not going to salt these because I'm going to add in some chorizo. Once the potatoes are cooked, it's time to remove and put off to the side. Once we remove all the potatoes, it's time to cook our pork chorizo. And now we'll want to add our potatoes back into the pan. Now this is straight up breakfast for me. I could eat this with eggs and be a happy man, but we got bigger plans for these. Tempting as it is to eat these things right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put these off to the sides because the quesadillas I'm about to build are gonna be awesome. And now it's baking time. Be sure to cook the bacon to your desired doneness. Just remove the bacon now that it's done. Now be sure to cook your bacon to your desired doneness. I like mine with a little bit of crunch. I'm also going to remove most of the bacon grease and fry up some onion, bell peppers. I'm going to season with salt, pepper, and garlic. Once the onions and peppers have softened, let's put this off to the side as well. For the cheeses, I'm using a combination of white cheddar and some queso Oaxaca, which I'll be grating. What kind of cheeses do you use for your quesadilla? Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Next, I'll grate the queso Oaxaca. Next, I'll combine both and give it a quick mix. I'm not using all the cheese here, just enough to make myself a few quesadillas. What's breakfast without an egg? I'm going to salt with a little pepper and a little salt. And just like my mom likes to do, I'm going to go ahead and scramble the egg right in the pan. Once the egg is cooked, I'll remove and then start building our quesadilla. First, we'll butter up a pan, and next we'll lay in our flour tortilla. Let's add a first layer of cheese. Add in our egg, our fajitas, our papas con chorizo. Make sure you put plenty of it in there. Some bacon, and a second layer of cheese. And let's fold. Flip over once it's nice and toasty. Do another quick flip. It's getting some good color here. This texture on quesadillas is super important. Once they are nicely cooked on both sides, let's remove and let's slice up. Once sliced, we'll go ahead and stack them up and we're good. Time to enjoy some breakfast quesadillas. Now let's taste these quesadillas. Before I forget, I made some pico de gallo here. That'll go great with these quesadillas. Now if you're looking for a good pico de gallo recipe, check out the video that I'm going to be putting around here. But now let's eat. It's really good. It's awesome. It's a full-on breakfast in a quesadilla.